Rishi on behalf of Amulya Maida. Today we have Ms. Priyanka with us from Perspective Design. So welcome to Medasia 2022 first of all, ma'am. Now please tell us about yourself and your firm.
By profession, I'm an architect, and it's been almost 11 years now I'm working into the industry, and my office is in Kaushambi, Ghaziabad. So my main forte is the F&B, food and beverages. So we do designs for the commercial projects like restaurants, bars, banquets. This is my main forte.
Right, well, that's amazing. So you have been using Amulya Maida as a brand and all of these.
Yeah, I mean from past 3-4 years I was using Amulya, Mica, and the main part was that when it comes to the design patterns and the different kind of designs which I was actually looking for, because when it comes to the restaurants, the duration is very less. I mean 2 months or 3 months, and the quantity and the varieties is also very different. So for that we need different shades, designs, patterns. So according to that, Amulya is having, even though in my office also I've used Amulya only. All over there I have ground floor and basement. So in my office
I didn't test it for you.
yeah because it's when it comes to the design, so they Amulya is having actually different patterns. I mean something different from the market.
Okay, well, that's amazing. So now, you told me that you use it in F&B, so that's your forte, and it requires a certain ambient, how people like to sit and just have a nice vibe. So, what makes Amulya Maida different? What makes you use it there?
The main thing is that when we use the laminate is because the laminate is a durable thing. I mean, when it comes to the cleaning part, when it comes to the installation, and the duration of the installing the laminate is very less. So if we are designing something, so definitely we need different parts. Like on tabletop, we need something different. On wall elevation, we need something different. Ceiling is different. So for that, when it comes to the designs and the patterns which we are actually using, they have to synchronize between each other. So I found everything into that, and that is the main reason I'm using Amulya.
So you found variety, and I hope it's
Variety and durability, and the services. Services also important thing, because sometimes what happens with the other brands that they are having the designs, but the services is not there. So service is also the important thing, that we get the things on site on the time.
That's very important. Well, thank you so much, and I hope you continue using and we get great ambience. And
Thank you.
even more projects to you.
Sure, definitely. Thank you.